You wake up to notification, you sleep with screen, and somewhere between work calls, reels, and endless scroll, silence has become uncomfortable. This is digital burnout, that invisible exhaustion of a mind always on. You may not feel tired, but you feel empty, surrounded by connection, yet disconnected from yourself. You don't need another app, you need silence. Silence is not the absence of sound, it is the presence of awareness. Most people try to escape burnout by consuming more podcast, course, and caffeine. But healing doesn't come from more input, it's come from inner space. The mind doesn't recharge through entertainment, it's recharged through emptiness. When you enter silence, you don't lose productivity, you regain presence. Our nervous system was never designed for 20 by 7 digital bombardment. Every ping, every scroll, every new piece of data is like a wave hitting the mind's ocean. Over time, those waves blur your inner reflection. The sage called it Chittavritti, the turbulence of mind. The silence between thoughts is not emptiness, it's your original frequency. Even AI run better after reboot. Why should your awareness be any different? So here are your silence protocol, the three step to inner reboot. First, digital fasting. Choose 1 hour a day with no screen, no noise, no input. Let your nervous system breathe. Second, sound awareness. Sit in silence, not to escape, but to listen. Here is the hum of your breath, the rhythm of your heartbeat. Awareness sharpen when attention answer inward. Third, sacred stillness. Before sleep, take 5 minutes to pause. Don't consume, don't react, just witness your inner screen fade to peace. These three steps are not withdrawal, they are reconnection. Silence is not empty, it's full of answer. Close your eyes, imagine every notification sound dissolving until all that remains is a soft hum. Your own awareness, awake and alive. Stay there in that quiet, you are home. Ask yourself, when was the last time I sat in silence just to be? Journal this tonight. What emotions surfaced when I disconnected? Awareness begins where noise ends. Let silence be your teacher, not your surface. I don't just teach skill, I activate awareness.